With the windscreen wipers of your BMW, you make sure you always have a clear view. The wipers and washers for the windscreen and rear screen can be operated via the lever on the right side of the steering wheel. Press the Auto button on the wiper lever to activate the rain sensor. A green LED indicates an activated rain sensor. Use the knurled wheel on the wiper lever to set the sensitivity of the rain sensor. Turn upwards for high sensitivity or downwards for low sensitivity. To switch normal wiping on, press the lever upwards once. Pressing the lever upwards again activates fast wiping. If the system is off, you can activate fast wiping directly by pressing the lever beyond the resistance point. To switch from fast mode to normal mode, press downwards once. To switch normal wiping off, downwards once again. If the wipers aren't active, you can flick wipe the windscreen by pressing the lever downwards once. You can clean your windscreen by pulling the lever. The wipers will be operated briefly. If your BMW is equipped with a rear wiper, turn the outer switch upwards in order to activate intermittent mode. Engaging reverse gear activates continuous operation. In intermittent operation, turn and hold the outer switch further upwards to clean the rear window. The wiper will be operated briefly and the switch returns to the intermittent position when released. When in rest position, turn the switch downwards to clean the rear window. The wiper will be operated briefly and the switch returns to the rest position when released. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.